Good afternoon, folks. Steve over at White Sands Motorsports, Alamogordo, New Mexico. Want to go and show you a little bit of our used inventory today. Got a 2009 Yamaha V-STAR Custom 650 Silverado. It's the maroon, dark red color. Decked out with a lot of chrome on it. This one comes with the windshield on it already. This does also have the saddlebags and the sissy bar for the back side of it. You can notice the details on the seat. It's riveted with the studs. Same with the saddlebag and the sissy bar. Nice set of pipes on this thing. If you're interested in this bike, give us a call. White Sands Motorsports, Alamogordo, New Mexico. 575-437-8189. Come on down and take a look at this bike. It's ready to roll.